Hi guys! Bunja here, and today meron tayong i-unbox na naman. And hulaan nyo ano? Ting! Gaming mouse. So, ito yung i-unbox natin, namely XPG Primer RGB Gaming Mouse. Maganda to dahil marami siyang features like number 1, 12,000 DPI optical sensor. Second is ang kanyang selectable RGB lighting. Third naman is ang kanyang double shot surface with PVT. And lastly, yung kanyang pang-apat na magandang feature is ang durable hormone switches. Maganda rin ang kanyang design. So, tignan na natin, open na natin to. Titignan rin natin if worth it ba tong mouse na to or hindi. So, unboxing time. So, unang makikita nyo dito is meron siyang parang, ayun, matigas na sticky. Eh, di ko alam kung ano tawag doon. Hindi ko alam ano tawag dito, basta matigas. So, sana all matigas. So, dahil doon, makikita nyo na agad yung product. So, from the box itself, yan, makikita nyo na. Pagdating naman dito sa left, makikita nyo yung kanyang features like scroll wheel, DPI switches, at iba pa. So, ayun. Pagdating naman sa gilid, nandito lang naman nakalagay yung itsura ng mouse and also the brand name itself. While sa gilid naman is yung features ng product and same din sa likod. O, diba? So, tara na. Unbox na natin. Biglang na ano ko, no? Naka-tape pala. Tatanggalin na natin siya sa tape. Tanggalin natin siya sa tape. Dahan-dahan lang. Wait lang, oh. Kasi yung ilong ko eh. Sorry na, Lods. So, ayan. Pagka-open na natin, and una yung makikita dito is yan. Pagka-open na natin, ang una yung makikita dito is ang kanyang warranty guide. Yan yung una yung makikita. Warranty guide. Then, sunod natin is yung kanyang sticker. Super astig na stickers. I love it. Then, ang kanyang quick start guide. Then, syempre, ang mouse. So, tara na, open na natin. So, ayan. First impression, so nakikita ko, super ganda talaga ng product na to. So, tanggalin na natin siya sa box. Ayan. So, here it is, guys. So, as you can see, meron siyang lightweight braided cable. Super gaang talaga. And, as you can see, super flexible din. Next natin is our tactile scroll wheel. Sunod is the 2 extra button para in terms na gagamitin nyo for gaming. And our textured side grip din. And sunod natin is ang kanyang DPI switch para mapalitan yung inyong DPI resolution. And as you can see, kada pinapalitan natin siya, meron siyang blinking mode. And lastly is our RGB preset button para palitan ng inyong color or kung anong mode man ang gusto nyo. Meron siyang off, breathing, and RGB. Let's check out the cable. Traditional braided cables can be hard, thick, and cumbersome. In light of this, the XPG Primer features an ultralight and elastic braided cable that's durable, soft, and thin for smoother control. I-check naman natin ang kanyang flexibility. And as you can see, super flexible talaga niya and super adjustable siya. Pwede mo siyang i-change ayon sa liking mo. And the cable length is 1.8 meters. While the USB type naman is here. So, the USB type is A. And as you can see, gold-plated USB siya. Ayaw ganito na lang. Ayaw mag-focus. So, ayun, gold-plated cable siya. Next is the front surface. The XPG primer's outer shell is made from durable double-shot PBT for a smoother yet non-slippery surface that stays clean and won't wear down or fade after prolonged use. It has a matte finish and kitang-kita naman ang pagka-high quality niya. Next is the side grip. The XPG primer sports textured side grips with an anti-slip properties for excellent traction and comfortable gameplay. It's got the ideal weight of 98 grams, so it's not too heavy or too light. Perfectly balanced for precise movement. For the selectable RGB lighting effects, the XPG primer has stunning selectable RGB lighting effects to get you into the right gaming mood. The RGB button cycles through 3 preset lightings. Just press the RGB button to get the desired effect. It has 3 effects, namely static, color wave, and breathing. In my opinion, I really love the design. Makikita dito na nagla-light up yung primer logo and it has 2 lines of RGB going through the mouse and sa middle din. For switching DPI, as you can see, magfa-flash din yung color niya. Now, let's talk about the DPI. It has a 12,000 DPI PMW3360 optical sensor. XPG primer offers the perfect balance of value, accuracy, and quality. With 6 preset DPI settings from 400 to 12,000, choose the resolution that best serves your needs. The sensor used tracks even the finest movements of the mouse across your preferred gaming surface thanks to a 12,000 DPI capable sensor. With a perfect tracking rate up to 250 inches per second and 50G acceleration, there is no movement this mouse can follow. Now, let's talk about the best part. Omron mechanical switches with 20 million clicks durability. Enjoy the flawless execution with high-performance actuation responses with Omron switches. These switches are related for 20 million clicks for high durability, reliability, and a high production yield rate. Now, test naman natin yung clicks para malaman natin yung sound niya. In my opinion, I really love it. Super smooth, ang ganda rin ng sound, and super fast niya. Overall, I really think worth it yung pera nyo dito dahil super ganda and high quality niya. And ito ang main plus points for me. Number 1, super balanced ng weight niya. Hindi siya mabigat, hindi rin magaang. Talagang perfect na perfect to for gamers. Number 2, super comfortable gamitin ng mouse dahil sa kanyang double shot PBT. Number 3, nakatulong din yung kanyang weight, lalo na sa mga fast-paced game. Number 4, dahil sa lightweight cable niya, parang naka-wireless mouse ka na din. Number 5, it has a selectable RGB presets na kung saan pwede kang mamili kung anong prefer mong color or mode. And number 6, lastly, I really think na high quality yung pagkakagawa dito and tatagal talaga siya. And for me, as a gamer, malaking tulong to and makakatulong rin to sa mga accuracy nyo. Especially, lagi ko nilalaro is Valorant, CSGO, Cyber Hunter, and marami pang iba. So, if mahilig ka sa mga FPS games, I highly suggest na mag-invest ka sa mga magagandang quality na mouse. Ayun lang guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And if nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe na din. Comment your opinion kung anong tingin niyo sa product na to. And lastly, if gusto niyo po itong bilhin, nandiyan lang yung link sa ibaba. And what do you think? Pag-giveaway ba natin to? Pwede. So, if gusto niyo pag-giveaway natin to, share niyo na sa friends niyo tong video. And yun lang. Bye-bye! Love you! Kita-kits sa next unboxing video ko.